I purchased this Whirlpool Duet front-loading washer and dryer in 2004, and now, 18 years later, I have this F02 error. The simple explanation of this error code is the tub is taking too long to drain. In this video, I will show you how I fix this problem for around $25. If your drain pump is sounding like this, you've come to the right place. This is Carve Tools. I'm Dave. Let's get started. Here I investigate why the drain is so slow and making all this crazy noise. So after disconnecting power, I remove the front access panel using a 7mm nut driver, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Before removing the strainer basket, I place a towel under it to catch any undrained water. If the pump has completely failed, there's a good chance you'll have a lot of water to pour out. This strainer will keep things like buttons, loose chains, and other pocket objects from entering the pump. The only prize today is a short collar stick and some threads, but it's not uncommon to find small objects that were left in pockets. I do not see anything in the house, and I believe the drain hose from the pump is not clogged, so it looks like a defective drain pump. Here I screw the strainer in, and I'm going to use some pliers to tighten it while being careful not to damage the O-ring. So I want to hear the pump while the cover is off, so I'll run a cycle with this Afresh tablet. The Afresh is good for removing odors and residue that is left in the washer over time. Here I set the cycle to heavy, hot water, then I'm going to wait for the pump to drain. Hear the pump growling as it drains? This is the remove pump and the Whirlpool part number. You can get an OEM replacement pump for $110 and many aftermarket pumps for as cheap as $21.99. Hey, let's try the $21.99 today. The part has arrived, so let's start by removing the power. Got some towels handy to soak up any water. The only tool needed will be a Phillips screwdriver to remove 3 screws. Here I will remove the cable tray out of the way of the camera. The OEM pump has a flap over the electrical connection. Here is the front screw removed. Stuff the towel in to soak up any remaining water. The screw on the back is actually the easiest to access. Get the bottom screw, and the pump comes right out. Here is the replacement pump, and I notice it has a 3-blade impeller and the original had a 4-blade. Well, not sure how this is going to work out, but I'm going to use it anyway. The impeller is worn out on the original pump, and that explains the noise and vibrations. Now it fits good. Careful not to damage the O-ring. Then install the 3 screws. And make sure the electrical connection is snug with a push and pull. Okay, we're ready to go. I'll start a wash cycle and let's see what happens. Here's the original pump operating. And here's the new Pode blah blah part number. I don't know what it is. And you can hear the water pumping out with very little noise. And yeah, so far, so good. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Hey, please subscribe, leave a comment, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. This is Golf Tools. I'm Dave. Have a great day.